Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see JEE main maths question. Now look at the question. Let A be 3x3 matrix, then determinant of 2 adjoint to A is equal to 2 power 41. Then find the value of square of determinant as A. It is July 2021 question. It is a very simple question. Adjoint CA means if you take scalar quantity from the adjoint, it will be C power n minus 1, where n is adjoint. CA means C power n minus 1 adjoint A. Okay, so now we are going to take this 2 out. This 2 out means what we have to do? 2 adjoint, this 2 I am taking out. So 2, it is a power n minus 1. It is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So 2 square adjoint A. Okay. Then this adjoint we cancel. This 2 we take out. Then the next is we have to take out this adjoint. This adjoint, how you will take out? It will be A squared. So 2 adjoint, this 2 square is 2 square only. This adjoint A, adjoint anything afterwards, adjoint A, what you have to do, if you want to remove the adjoint, it will be square. So this will be removed means, it will be, here A means it is a A square. Okay, copy down until now. Now I am going to shift this 2 square to here. So what we have to do? Power n minus 1. So 2 adjoint 2 square power n minus 1 is 2. Because it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Adjoint A squared. This is equal to 2 power 41, they say. So what is left here? 2 power 1. This is 2 power 4. So 2 adjoint 2 power 5 adjoint A squared. 2 power 5 means if you take out, it will be power 10. Because this from this adjoint I am taking out. So 2 power 10 adjoint A squared. Okay, first that 2 first this 2 we take out. So when you take 2 out, it will be 2 power n minus 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2 square. Then it is 2 square. Then this 2 square is moving. 2 square power 3 minus 1, it is 2. Remaining everything as it is. Then it is 2 power 4, 2 power 1, 2 power 5. A power m times A power n, A power m plus n. 2 power 5 I am taking this side means power 2. 2 power 5 power 2 is power 2 is 2 power 10. 2 power 10, 10 adjoint a square 2 power 11 adjoint a squared is a power 4, because this adjoint I removed. Next, this adjoint I am going to remove. So what will be the 2 power 11 adjoint? This adjoint if I remove means I should not keep here. A power 8. Okay. 2 power 11 if I take out, what will be happen? 2 power 11 cube, 2 power 33. Anything if you take out from the determinant, you have to cube it. 2 power 33. A power 8. So 2 power 33 times a power 8 is equal to 2 power 41. So a power 8 is 2 power 41 over 2 power 33. It is 2 power 8. A power 8 is 2 power 8. So determinant of a squared is 2 square, so it is 4. There are 3 parameters you need to know. I have already given, again I am revising. Adjoint CA means C power n minus 1 adjoint A. This is 1 point. Second point, adjoint A means A squared. Third point, adjoint anything. No need adjoint. Determinant of 3 adjoint A means if you want to take 3 out, it is a 3 cube. It is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Adjoint A. Okay. Then another rule we know, A power m times A power n, A power m plus n. Very nice. Copy it down.